So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MD Learnings. So I hope everyone is well. So in this video today I'm going to teach you how to create a notebook page. Notebook page in MS Word. Okay, so let's start. And before this, if you are not subscribed to my channel, just subscribe it so that you can get the each and every notification of my all the videos. So let's start the video. So as you can see the screen, here you can see I have MS Word open in my screen. So first what we have to do, so first we have to go to layout. Okay, so now you can see wherever we are going to click on this page. So we have to start from the corner of this page. Okay, first we have to make the margin to 0. So first you go to layout. Okay, and go to margin here. Yeah, margin is there. Click on the down arrow and go to custom margin. Now you can see here top is 2.54, so just make it 0. Everything you just make 0. Top 0, bottom 0, left 0 and right 0. Just make everything 0 and click on OK. So now you can see where the cursor went. It went to the corner of this page and now margin is 0. Now we have to insert the table, because what in notebook page so many lines with different tables are there. So first we have to insert the table. So go to your insert tab. Here you can see tables. Click on tables. So how many rows we want so many rows. 2 columns we want, so we need only 2 columns. Okay, so you have to select from here 2. Okay, now we got 2 columns. And in the notebook page this border will be in the left, so just drag this to the left of the page and just make it pull it little down so that you can have a broad heading. Okay, broad space. Now you can see, okay, first something we have done. Now we have a border, heading is there. Now we need rest of the lines of my notebook page. So what I have to do, first click here anywhere. Okay, anywhere you click and just you have to press tab. Make it little small because page lines will be less. Okay, so in this standard size is, so what we can do, standard size is approx 0.35. Okay, so and the gap between the two columns will be, two rows will be 0.35. To go to your layout tab, you can see table row height. What's the table row height? The table row height will be standard size is 0.35, so I will make it 0.35 and press enter. It is changed now. Again, just start pressing tab. How many lines, how many rows you want, just press tab. Okay, just what you have to do, we have to press tab. So you can see notebook is 70%, not 70, almost 80% ready. Okay, this is almost ready. And in the last, just drag it down. No, not drag it down. So here you can see second page. It went to the second page. Now what you have to do, this borders, okay, this line and this line, these two should be little bold, means I can change the color. So what I have to do, just go to your table design. Here you can see in the right side border design, border styles. Click on border style and select this double solid lines. Selected. Now you can change the this line width to approx 1.5, and we can select any color whatever you want. We can select like red. So just one brush came, just click on this, So similarly you have to select this. Okay, just drag it down till last, and now you can see similarly for this also. Okay, now you can see it is similar to our notebook page. Now I need a box for my dates. Okay, in the right side, in this side I need a box for date. Now what I have to do, I have to go to insert, go to your shapes, and insert this rectangular rounded corner. Click on this shapes and just draw a box. Okay, now in this box I will make the shape fill to no fill, and I will see the border shape outline border selected red. Whatever you want you can select. Now see, now I have to write a date. Okay, date. So I will give date. I will give some space for date. Okay, this is for year, and similarly for my page number. So see, if generally we are typing, so it will be difficult. So what I will do, I will go to my this where is insert? Yeah, insert. I will go to my insert tab. In the right side in the text field, you can see word art. So just click on insert word art. Okay. Now here you can type date. Just give the field for your date, and just adjust the size of this. Okay, make it approx 18 or 16, and just drag it down inside your box. This is why I'm using, because see, you can adjust the size and space wherever you want. You can adjust it properly if you're using word art, because after typing here manually it will be difficult to adjust the size and position of that field. So same thing for page number also. Go to insert, click on text box. Okay, and write it page number. Give some space for page number, and change the size of this to 16, and just bring it here, so you can reduce some space. Okay, so now you can see just reduce it. Now you can see I think this is underlined by mistake. Now yeah, this is done. So now you can see I have my notebook page. Okay, and when you go for print, just try print. Okay, so here you can see how my notebook page look like, how it looks. So exactly similar to the page present in notebook, you can create it. And here you can type also, like you can directly type inside this notebook and you can print it. Like I will write it questions. Okay, question one. So what is, like type it YouTube, and okay, same thing you can answer, and you can type it. It is online. It is an online platform. This we can type anything inside the notebook page, and we can directly print it. So it will look like this. Okay, in the same, you can create a multiple pages and you can print it. So this was interesting, and I hope you guys learn this, and you learn how to make this notebook page using Word. Okay, so Thank you so much for this watching this video, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon here so that you can get the notification of my latest video. Okay, just keep learning. Bye bye.